What's up, y'all? It's Marilyn Curtis back with another Dollar Tree snack review. I'm Mel,
I'm Curtis.
and this is It's Mel Baby. And we have the strawberry sugar wafers, we have the salted caramel moon pies, and we have the chocolate cream cakes. And I have a little extra surprise. I found a strawberry moon pie. Never had one of those, but we gonna try it. We've never had any of these snacks on this table, so warning. I don't know if I want to eat these sugar wafers now.
What's wrong?
It say consuming this product can expose you to I don't know, some kind of mite, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harms.
Why would you put that in food then?
Right. Well, oh, that's what it is, that red dye right there. Boy, that red dye gets you every time. Okay, so, I wonder if this say that. No, ain't no warning on here. Oh, wow. But it does say contains bioengineered food products. Wow. I knew it was, does this say that too? Yes, it does. So I'm guessing it's either the marshmallow and the cookie. Well, which one we gonna try first?
This one.
Look like somebody was already trying to try it. Chocolate cream cakes. I guess this is equivalent to a chocolate Twinkie. So, we're gonna try that. Hold up a second. Okay, we're back. Sorry for the short pause, but let's go ahead and try this chocolate Twinkie like cake. It's chocolatey. See, nice little mold. And might I see your knife?
Here you go.
We're gonna go across. That was kind of hard to cut. Cream all the way through, because it's on both sides. But if you didn't, oh no, it's not. It's shot in. So there's only cream at certain bites of this. So let's go ahead and try this. It's kind of dry though.
Yeah, I need a cup of milk with this.
Right. It is very chocolatey though.
Right. It's not bad, but I don't really care for it.
It's interesting. Well, this is okay. Now that I'll be buying them again, y'all can eat the rest of them. Okay. When you think of sponge cake, you think it's gonna be light and airy, right?
Right.
It's
Yeah.
not. It's real dense.
What were they that poor package that?
Poor package.
Yeah. But like you don't buy the cheap kind, you buy the actual kind like Swiss rolls. It'd be good.
This is not a Swiss roll though. This is like a Twinkie.
They got something like this in the store, just like this, just name brand.
But you can't get it for $1.25.
No.
Like in this economy, if you still want to get your snacks,
And that stuff work my nerves.
you have to try other places.
Like that don't make no sense. Why would Dollar Tree go up knowing that everybody mostly shop at Dollar Tree?
No, everyone does it, but a quarter,
That's still a lot.
I'm not complaining.
Right.
Now, what we moving on to? The moon pie, strawberry or caramel?
We can start with the caramel moon pies.
Okay. Oh, you ate that whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, you want that?
Yeah.
Go for it. We were talking in a live the other day about snacks and cookies and what you do when you don't have a cookie. Well, this could be an alternative if you have it, you know. Little suckers. Well, son, I don't want a whole caramel moon pie, so I'm gonna split this amongst us. Oh wow!
Oh, that's different from mine. On
Oh
regular
wow!
day.
And you can smell the caramel.
Ooh.
Well, you know they changed flavors, cause the caramel, I don't think they do vanilla or banana no more.
Oh, this stuff. If they stop vanilla, they wrong for that.
I don't know. I've never had a vanilla moon pie. I've always had the chocolate. Well, wait. I think I might have had a vanilla. I'm gonna take one. Okay. Let's see where we going with this. What you think on the smell?
I can barely smell, but it's alright.
No, you can smell the caramel. And let me just go ahead on and break this off. Go ahead on.
I don't like that when you the first bite, I get salt. I don't like that. I get salt, then marshmallow, then the caramel. I don't like that.
It might be better if you eat it.
Yeah, this stuff right here is better.
It's okay. It's a typical moon pie. It's a typical moon pie. It has the same textures and whatever and whatever. And it's a moon pie. It's really salty, but you can also taste the caramel. You say you don't like it, you so. It's called salted caramel. You don't think you're gonna taste salt?
Yeah, but no.
But I don't see it like, I don't taste it like you do. No. I'm not a caramel fan. Not a caramel fan. So, but if you like caramel, yeah, that's it's big on. But I'm not a caramel fan, so. I don't care for it.
That's
Only
not,
way I like my caramel is in a sniffer.
right.
Okay, this one kind of broke up some, but I'll take the broke side, which is right here. There you go. It's it smells like strawberry. It smells like malted strawberry though.
Man, if this ain't good, I'm right. Moon pie, look, this is ridiculous.
It's strawberry, so
Yeah, but I'm not really a strawberry cake person. I never like
you don't
strawberry.
like strawberry cake?
No, I prefer chocolate, yellow, lemon, or white. And I don't even like white at sometimes. Ooh. Let me make this.
It's a little denser than the caramel one.
No, yeah, for sure I like that.
It tastes like a bad incense.
This is gross to me.
Yeah, this is not good. This is, I don't even want to try that again. I knew I wasn't gonna like that shit.
You know what that tastes like? That medicine that they had me take today.
No.
And you wanna know the crazy thing about that? I took some medicine, right? Now she just told me, oh, switch it around in your mouth, you know. And I'm like, what? She said, yeah, do that, right? She didn't even tell me to spit it out until the last minute. I actually do. I so, why am I catching myself up like that?
Okay. Well,
She said, hurry up, spit it out. It made my whole mouth numb.
was I wrong for giving you such a big piece?
Yes, she said, I don't like that. That's horrible.
Well, there's the rest of the straw.
No. This ain't, I don't like it like that, but I like it better than this. I guess I like the chocolate because I grew up on chocolate.
It's caramel.
Have you filled truck? I'm about to say quarter. Dad would pack me a moon pie. Along with other things. Kids was hating on me. I'll tell you that. Even some teachers.
Because when you go on a field trip, you got to bring the piece of delicious stones. You got to have your cookies. You got to have your chips. You got to have your pickles. You got to have your drink.
That's why teachers got, you know.
You have to have a good sandwich.
You know, they say that you can bring your stuff with you, or you can leave it on the bus. So after the trip is over, it's lunchtime, they'll go get it and bring it back. I took my stuff with me. I don't trust y'all with my sandwiches. Bus driver probably be eating my sandwiches. Cause to be honest, I ain't fat shaming nobody, but he was fat. And he was hungry. He kept saying that, ooh, I'm hungry. And I'm like, oh no.
A good roast pork torta.
Yeah, some kid had tamales. I still remember that.
Dang, you just ran into it.
I traded him half of one of my sandwiches for some tamales.
Is this? Oh man, this ain't even good. What?
Oh, wait.
What is there? Like 3 wafers in there? Oh wow. You went. So it's 3 wafers.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's alright. You know me, I like the wafer. I wasn't gonna say what I was gonna say, but I don't want to get caught up. Yeah, because I was gonna say mine be usually a little thicker.
Yeah, I thought there was two of them in there. But really, I thought it was just one big cookie. I was sitting up there, Lord, I'm gonna eat that. Cause I thought it was just one big cookie.
Oh, I to be honest, I didn't know they was in the packages. And you got that from Doctor, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. I do say Dollar Tree has really stepped their game up a little bit, not a lot.
It's not no sugar wafer, y'all.
No,
It's damn sure ain't strawberry.
but
Like,
that is
where's
something
the
good to eat.
sugar?
I don't know, but that is something good to eat.
Mm-hmm. Well, I don't want none of this shit.
I'm trying to think.
I just brought it for a review. No, them ain't good either. The best thing we had was the cream cake, the chocolate cream cake.
I wouldn't say that.
So what you think was the best?
The
These
wafers.
sugar wafers? Oh,
Mhm.
well, yeah, you can have them too.
Think.
I don't think, I don't know. Where's the sugar? That's not a real sugar wafer. You know, you used to be able to, you eat 3 sugar wafers and you be like that in a coma. You can't do that with that. Because you be done put yourself in a sugar coma. Don't talk about if you ate the whole pack.
Hey, what they call them? They call them wafers in communion. They call it wafers, right?
Communion wafers.
I used to wonder, why we used to always get that. I've always wondered, like, they'll give you the wafer and the drink.
Excuse him. Those drugs have gotten him. He went to the doctor today and he gave him some shots in the buttocks. And they were obviously very strong narcotics.
I was scared the nurse.
Huh?
I was scared the nurse because she was about to put the needle in my arm. But as soon as she came close, I said, "Ooh!" She says, Mr. Baker, don't do that.
Oh wow. Yeah. Good drugs, obviously, can't you tell? Okay, well, I don't know. You probably have to fight your brothers, but I don't want none of this. Y'all can have all of that. There's only 2 caramel moon pies.
Them two can work that out, but no. This is my work snacks. When I go to work, just eat one of them while I'm on break. I usually play chess or word cross, something like that.
The best one to me was the chocolate cream pie. Cream cake.
That's what I forgot.
It was not the ultimate, but if I had to choose one, I think I would choose the cream cakes. Not only that, they're kind of soft. So is that caramel cream pie. It was kind of decent, but I'm not really no big caramel fan. Maybe if I'd have put it in the microwave and put a little chocolate on top. Oh my God. Why am I bringing this fat shit up?
Lord.
Well, that's our review of the Dollar Tree snacks. If you want to try them, except for that strawberry moon pie, I brought that at another store on the fly. You don't want to try that newbie. Don't worry about that, because that strawberry moon pie was horrible. Yeah, neither one of us ate it.
I couldn't do that.
I couldn't even convince myself to go back for another taste of that one. But all the rest of these, I'm not saying I wouldn't eat them again. Uh, but it would be on someone else's dime. What do you just
All
thought
right,
of?
you said I'll pay for it. What if we get the moon pies, right? I go to my job, get shakes.
Mm-hmm.
We do it like that. Eat the moon pie and drink the shake.
What do we need to shake for?
This is stuff is dry for one.
That caramel one was not dry. It was actually very moist and tasty. I just, I am not a caramel fan.
And the shake is a plus. I usually
Boy,
don't
throw
feel.
some peanut butter on there and some chocolate.
I tried this one shake at
And the
work.
peanut butter and chocolate is so it could stimulate somewhat be like a Snicker. But
No,
other than that, no.
I'll go to Walmart, get some Snicker bites, take them with me to work, order me a shake on my break, put them Snicker bites in. Cause I mixed the shake when I went on break last time.
You know that's a lot of sugar. And knowing you ain't getting a small shake.
No, I got the medium. I put the banana pudding at the bottom.
How many ounces is your medium shake?
It's about like, oh wait, I do know this, 32 ounce. The big one is 44 ounce. Yeah.
So you get a 32-ounce shake and you won't put Snickers in it.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the
Do you need that sugar rush to get through the rest of your night?
yes.
Oh, okay. I knew it had to be something. Well, we finished our review. And as you see, Curtis' favorite was the strawberry wafers.
I thought that was strawberry.
And that
Yeah, I love
strawberry
these
moon
wafers.
pie, if you ever see that, just ignore it. It is not good. It's horrible. And I'm surprised Curtis and I both agreed on it. But the caramel was not that bad. It was okay. And it's true salt caramel. So we finished here, y'all. All these things, except for the moon pie, were $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So if you're into snacks, but it's kind of rough out there for you, you can go to Dollar Tree and get those snacks. We have another review that will be coming up soon on some Dollar Tree. I got 2 more types of cheese puffs. And we'll be doing a review on that soon. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all be blessed. If y'all made it to the end, thank you very much. Even if you didn't, well, if you're seeing this, you made it to the end. So thank you very much. Thanks for your time, and thanks for watching. Till next time, y'all. Excuse me. I'm kind of. I've been out there in that sun all day, y'all, and I think it's doing a number on me. But I'm going to take some time and chill for a minute. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all be blessed. Stay safe out there. Be careful in this heat, because this heat is a muff. We left out the house, it was like 86 degrees. By the time we came back home, it was 102. And I thought I was going to be in and out because I had, appointments. I was finished with my appointments, but I had to wait on my babies in the urgent care in the clinic. So, they do that by numbers and how you doing and whatnot. But, shit. And that's messed up because I love being in the sun. Well, I went to my appointments and they were fast. I was shocked. Got out there. They sent my medicine to the pharmacy. I went to the I didn't go to the pharmacy though till after they finished. Until after we went and got some snacks for Alonzo like he asked. But that heat ain't no joke. So y'all be careful out there in this heat. Take care, be safe, enjoy your week, and until next time, peace, love, and hair grease.
Peace.